The domino effect of avoiding your top three fears. How purposely, knowingly avoiding going around your fears impacts all aspects of life and business. Hey there, ambitious CEOs and business leaders over 40. Today, let's talk about something we often sweep under the rug, our fears. But not just any fears. We're diving into how avoiding and going around your top three fears can create a domino effect that impacts every aspect of your life and business. Picture this, you're at the edge of the cliff, ready to take that exhilarating dive. But instead, you hesitate, you step back, and you walk back from the perch. It seems safer, right? Well, not quite. When you dodge that first fear, let's say making a bold business move or expanding our product line, you're not just missing out on opportunities, you're setting off a chain reaction. Suddenly, you're second guessing every decision, big or small. Your team senses hesitation, and before you know it, innovation stalls. Growth plateaus, and that vibrant company culture, it starts to fizzle. But here's the kicker. It doesn't stop at the office door. The hesitation creeps into your personal life too. Family dinners, children's activities. Your children don't look up to you as far as that confidence and that self-esteem that's glowing. Your wife or your husband notice that as well. That energy doesn't come through on the door or on family little trips. So it all trickles down. So what's the solution? Face those fears head on. Embrace the discomfort, because on the other side of that fear is where the magic is happening. Take some action steps and make some mini wins right now. Ready to break the chain and set off a positive domino effect chain reaction? Dive into our fear-facing action plan at the Cliff Diver's Edge called Soar Beyond Your Limits. It's time to turn those fears into your greatest strengths.